You guys, welcome back. There's something so comforting about crispy, savory snacks on a cold day like this. Today I'll be making crispy shrimp patties that make for a great appetizer or side dish, and it's easy to eat. The filling is savory and springy. Let's get started. To prepare the shrimp, mince 2/3 of this amount of shrimp finely, and the remaining 1/3 roughly chop so it's chunky like this. Smash up some garlic, cilantro stems, and black pepper. In goes the minced shrimp, ground pork, pound it all up. This can also be done in a blender, but I find pounding it in the mortar creates a springier texture. In goes the chunky shrimp, and lightly incorporate it. This is going to add a nice bite to the patties. Season with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and sugar. Combine everything together. You can take a spoonful of this and fry it out to taste it. Adjust the flavors to your liking. Prepare a bowl of all-purpose flour, whisked eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. Scoop up some shrimp mixture. The amount is up to you. I'm using about 3 tablespoons. Coat it with all-purpose flour. Coat with the whisked eggs. Back into the all-purpose flour. Again coat with the whisked eggs. And finally into the panko breadcrumbs. This is the time to shape them into patties. Heat up vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Use a wooden utensil or bamboo skewer to test if the oil is hot enough. If it bubbles up like this, the shrimp patties are ready to go in. In goes the shrimp patties. Flip them so they can develop an even golden color all around. Fry until they've developed a golden color like this. Here we have it, crispy shrimp patties. I'm serving it up with sweet chili sauce. It also goes well with sriracha mayo or eel sauce. You can have it on its own, or you can enjoy it with a bowl of rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.